What's up guys, your boy PZ, and in today's video I will talk to you guys about how to increase your chances of copying the Yeezy 700s that are releasing on Saturday, March 10th. First off, this release came as a surprise this week and caught everyone off guard, so no one really knew that they would be releasing this month. But Yeezy Mafia tweeted it out Monday and broke sneaker Twitter. Anyway, these will be retailing for $300 and it releases on Adidas.com/Yeezy and on Yeezy Supply. I know you guys are wondering about resale value, and in my opinion they will still have resale, but it will obviously go down. I feel like it will be hovering between 500 to mid 600s or so. Now, there's really only one main way to go about increasing your chances significantly for this release, since it's a Yeezy release and it's pretty much set in stone that there will be a splash page. I have mentioned this method in my previous video but have never explained, so this video will show you how to do it. This method is known to work on Adidas specifically on their splash pages because unlike Nike, Adidas tracks your cookies, not your IP addresses. Anyway, the method is super simple. All you gotta do is have Google Chrome installed on your computer. Once it's installed, launch it and go to the top right corner. Click that and then scroll down to manage people. A new window will open. Click add person and then you can name this profile whatever you want and select a picture of your choice and you are done. Just repeat those steps as many times as you want, but make sure to limit it to how many your computer can handle. Now on release day, when the splash page is live, you will want to launch Chrome and go on Adidas.com/Yeezy and copy and paste that link and open up your next profile and paste it into there, and keep doing that to all your profiles that you made. Once you are done, you will have all these windows open and it will be a mess, but there is a super simple solution to that, and all you gotta do on Mac is take your mouse and hold on the Chrome icon and then click show all windows. That will zoom out everything and you will be able to see all of your windows and what windows get through the splash page. That is all it takes to increase your chances of copying on Adidas splash page, and this method could be used for any splash page release on Adidas. Also, if you guys get lucky and get through multiple times, make sure to use a different payment method and jig your address if you will be buying multiple pairs to the same address. Thank you all for watching and for the support. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment any questions you have or any video recommendations down below, and I will try my best to get back to you guys. Good luck with the release on Saturday. Let me know how it goes by adding me on Snapchat. Follow me on Twitter at Reedy, R-E-E-E-I-I-D-Y. Pretty sure I spelled that right. And on Instagram, DA_Reedy, R-E-I-D-Y. And of course, don't forget to subscribe right now so you guys can cook on all releases. You know, I got you. PZ Reed got you. But it's been your boy PZ Reed, and I'm out.